Welcome to another Large Chrome Mag vlog. Today we are headed to Denver truck painting. So there were some issues with the paint on the frame from the factory, so Denver straightened all that out, and I think they did a little bit extra as well. So we're gonna go check all that out. We're gonna talk to Mark from Denver, and we'll see what's going on. So I will see you at Denver truck painting. Okay, so I'm here with Mark from Denver Truck Painting. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
Well, hi Steve. My name's Mark. I'm from Denver Truck Painting. We are a collision shop for tractor trailers. We do some custom work and we build a few custom trucks.
Okay, and specifically what all have you done to Cory's truck and what still needs to be done to Cory's truck?
Cory's truck had the whole frame painted with Imron paint and clear coat and the fuel tanks. We still have to install his visor that we painted on the inside and rear lights on the sleeper. Obviously you got a lot of cool iron here, so we'll definitely be back to do some more on some stuff you got, like the new Aero Pete. What model is that truck? 579.
Okay, 579. We'll be back to do a video feature on that, and some pictures for the magazine as well. And obviously, I don't think we've done anything really on the L model you built, so we'll be back to do something on that as well. Do them both in the same day.
That'd
Make a
be great.
day of it. Yeah, thank you very much, and I'll definitely be back. So
Thanks, Mark.
All right, so huge thanks to Mark there at Denver Truck Painting for letting us come to his shop and check out some of the things he's working on, and more specifically look at Cory's truck and the work they've done. There's still a few more things to do yet. I believe the next place Cory's truck is going to be Spare Time Fab. So we will follow it there as well, and try and document what they do, and then give a little bit of an update on what Denver Truck Painting did. As you heard, he's still got to paint the back of the visor, put some lights in the back of the bunk, so we'll get some video and some pictures of that as well. There's some trucks there at Denver, like I said, that I'm going to do some features on, and definitely dig that 579 that they put together. So we're going to do something on that as well, and the L model that they did, that everybody's seen, the 3-tone blue L model. You'll see that in the video as well. Thanks again to Cory. Thanks again to Denver Truck Painting. Thanks again for all the support you guys have given us, and all the subscribers and all the good comments. So we're just going to keep banging videos out, and hope you enjoy them.